Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to install or disable the extensions in Google Chrome. So for this you have to find your Google Chrome browser, and you can easily find it to the start button here, and after searching in the start button you have to search for the Chrome option from here. And after that, if you click on the Google Chrome, you will see this page, and then you have to click on the three dot option from here. Then you have to click on the man extensions here, and here you have to click on the manage extensions, and here you will get the extension that you used previously. And here you can easily toggle it off if you want to disable it for particular time. I mean, if you don't use it for particular time, then you can simply toggle it off, and after that you can just remove it by, and if you want to remove it permanently, then you can just simply remove it from here by clicking on the remove option. For example, I would like to remove this. You have to just simply click on remove, then you have to click on the remove option, and it will simply remove that. And I have already shown you the um, disabling option here, that you can simply click, if you click on it, and it will simply disable that specific extension by not uninstalling it. So that is that much easy, guys. So thank you very much for watching this video.